Okay, it's time for breakfast. And he'll sniff at it for a while. Okay, this is this man's best friend. This would be Luke Scott. He's a 15-year-old Beagle Cross. And he's been suffering from either hot spots or dry skin for a few months now, and there was many things that we tried, but what seems to be working is virgin coconut oil. And his skin was so dry that he was constantly biting, and he just basically made himself bald by just chewing off all his fur. And it was a lot worse than what is being shown here, but the application of coconut oil has seemed to alleviate a lot of his suffering. And we love Luke, and we want to make sure he's happy. And he's happy when he's eating breakfast, and he's happy when we apply coconut oil to his backside.